My name is Janvi
and my name is Tanvi.
and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. As you know, monsoon season is here. That's why we are going to show you the recipe of corn chaat or corn masala. You can enjoy this corn masala with monsoon. So let's have a look at the recipe. For this recipe, we'll heat up a vessel. To that we'll add water for boiling. Let the water boil. Here I have 2 cups of corn, sweet corn, and 3 cups of water. After the water is boiled, we'll add our corn. To this corn we'll add salt. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, you can adjust it. Mix it and let it boil for 1 minute on high flame. Our corn has boiled. It only takes 1.5 minutes approximately. Mix it and turn off the flame, and we'll drain all the water from this corn. For next step, we'll heat up a kadhai or a pan. To that we'll add butter. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. And to the butter we'll add our drained corn. After adding the corns, once mix it with the butter. After mixing the corn with the butter, we'll add spices. For that we'll need salt, but remember salt is present in the corn also. We added while boiling. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, chaat masala 1 teaspoon. You can add more if you like it. Then we'll add half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix all the masalas with the corn. After mixing the masalas, we'll add onion, 1 medium sized onion. Then we'll add tomato. This is also 1 medium sized. Mix this also with the corn. And cook this mixture for just 2 minutes, not more than that. After everything is mixed, we'll squeeze lemon juice from 1 lemon, half a lemon, sorry. Mix this also. And finally garnish it with some coriander leaves. And our corn masala is ready. We'll turn off the flame. This is looking very tasty. It's time to serve. Our delicious corn masala is ready. Serve this hot and let us know in the comments if you tried this recipe. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to share and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.